Look what we got here. Look at what we got here. This is the Taiwan Swirl, you guys, and you cannot tell me these colors aren't popping. This soap came out so nice, and this is my version of how I did the Taiwan Swirl. So if you're interested, join me, grab some snacks, and let's get into this video. Good, beautiful day, awesome people. I am Natasha, and welcome, beautiful, welcome. In today's video, I am doing my version of the Taiwan Swirl. In order to do the Taiwan Swirl, you guys, you need these dividers. They help to separate the colors so that when you actually do the technique, you can kind of draw the colors into each other. Now, I will tell you that also in order to do this type of technique, you need to be very familiar with how your batter works. You need to know what temperatures your batter stay fluid in. You need to know what fragrance oils to use so that it won't set your soap up too fast. So you have to be very familiar with how your ingredients perform and how your fragrances perform in order to do this, or else it won't actually give you the visual that you'll be looking for. So that being said, even though I worked with these colors before, I worked with this fragrance before, I did still get some hiccups, but you guys, the soap still came out awesome and beautiful. Let me tell you, I was so happy with the results. I almost was going to do a third version because I really wanted my batter to be very fluid so you can see the different ways the soap can stretch into each other and make a beautiful design, but that's fine. Now you see me adding some white to the top. You guys do not have to do that. It will not stretch to the bottom half of the soap, so this is just going to be at the top. And as you can see, I'm doing like a rectangular movement in order to create the design. And then in order to get the swirl part, you're going to see me going around the perimeter of the soap so that I can get that swirl effect in the design. The colors are so beautiful in this. Do you guys see what I mean by the fluidity of the batter, how it's fluid? Now, my second attempt at this technique, the soap, you're going to see started setting up. It did work out, but you're going to see the colors that stayed fluid, they were more fluid into the next color, and the ones that did not stay fluid and started to set up, which will be Mr. Yellow. He stayed stagnant, but he stood his ground and still made a nice design. But it's just a bummer when the soap starts to set up too quick, because you kind of want to create that fluid design for the Taiwan Swirl. Can I tell y'all how annoyed I was with these gloves though? I cannot find my other gloves, right, that I just purchased. And I got these daggone oven mitts on. I might as well have had baseball gloves on, because I could not grip nothing with these gloves. As you're going to see me abandon ship with scraping the rest of the batter off the dividers because I couldn't grip it. It's like ridiculous. It was just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at the yellow looking like tapioca. like rice pudding. Sheesh. I was a bit nervous at this point because if you see, the darker blue kind of stayed fluid, but all of the soap started to set up. Even though this fragrance oil is very loose, it takes a long time before the soap sets up. It really depends on everything, you guys. Ingredients, temperature. I thought I was soaping at a good temperature I would say between 83 and 89 degrees. But look how fluid the blue is. Look how willing the blue is, wanting to go into the white and into the yellow. And look how stubborn the yellow's being. Yellow's like, no, I'm not moving. I'm here. I'm in the middle. That's where I'm staying. Even the turquoise at the bottom has some fluidity to it. But the yellow was like, no, we's not moving. Unbelievable. But the design still came out nice. If all of it was fluid, you guys, the design would have actually came out a little different. And I may do another video with that demonstration, but look how the colors look. Look how the yellow pops against the blue. I love it. Now, there's some of us that's a bit OCD because we like to see all the soap batter being used and scraped. And this is for you to an extent, you guys. I do not waste not a drop of any of my soap batter. I put them in molds to use as either demos that I send to my beautiful customers as samples, or we use them at home. But guys, do you see how the colors just blend into each other? Oh my goodness, that looks so cool. Wow, look how the design came out so far. And some of those little darker spots is mica that needed to be blended a little more. I'll make sure I do that next time. But look at the waves. Look at the swirls. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got swirls. It looks nice. And depending on how you orient the soap, it looked like a butterfly. It just looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's a beautiful day in this YouTube world. It's a beautiful day for a subscriber. Would you be mine? Would you be mine? So have you guys ever did something, right? Like you by yourself and you did something, whether you drew something, you parked perfectly, you parallel parked, you know, did a certain style, or you cooked a certain type of food and it came out like banging, like perfect, right? Then you want to do it for somebody, like you want to demo this same event for somebody, and it just becomes like this catastrophe. It's like a catastrophe of disasters. That's how I feel sometimes when I film, because I would do soap, not film it, and it come out perfect, and as soon as I want to show you guys what I did, it's just like, oh, the gloves ain't working, oh, it starts setting up too quick, oh, whatever. I still film it and show you guys. You know me already. I film my mistakes. I'm not perfect. So, but these are how the soaps came out. These are how the samples came out. Came out awesome, beautiful. And those soaps are 3 ounces each. So those are really good soaps to give away to someone as gifts or to sell. Here is soap loaf number 2. And look at those colors. Look how stern yellow is. Yellow is like, to a degree, I will mingle with y'all. But I don't know y'all too well yet. Like, I'm so done. I need to stop giving soaps personalities, but look at how that came out. Banging. you guys, I really love how yellow bounces against blue, especially like the lighter the yellow, the deeper the yellow, and the darker the blue. I think those colors contrasting with each other looks so nice in a lot of stuff. I like it in patterns of clothing. I love it in this soap. And look at that. That is really a gorgeous soap. If you're watching my video for the first time, welcome. If you are a subscriber that's been holding me down for the longest, thank you, welcome. And if you just like looking and, you know, thank you for stopping by and looking. I appreciate you guys. You know that already. I appreciate you guys. But do consider subscribing though, you know. Do consider it. I mean, I gave you two soaps, different colors, commentary, a song. I'm about to bevel at the end. I mean, come on. Nah, no pressure. You guys, you're here, you're viewing. I'm good. I love it. If you could subscribe, that would be icing on the cake for me. Things are different when you bevel because it just pulls everything together, and look how beautiful that looks. The beveling of this soap is probably one of my favorite parts of the end process of the soap. Once you have completed everything, it's just, oh my goodness, icing on the cake. And look how beautiful the soap looks together. It looks like a beautiful butterfly, like a, I don't even know, like a flower. You guys, I'm filming this voiceover outside, and these birds are no joke chirping away. But let me know in the comments if you like the blue soap or the pink soap better. Also, let me know in the comments if you're a soaper and you plan on trying out this technique. And I don't know where you think you're going, because you have to watch some more of my videos. Yes, please protect your beautiful skin, protect your beautiful energy. Listen to these birds. Listen to these birds tell you. They telling you subscribe and watch more of my videos. You guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.